Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening with the price of ladies, and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, as of July the 17th, you guys can see the price of ladies is currently sitting at 32,216. We still have about 7 zeros in front of the price. You guys can see the price has retraced about 5% over the last 24 hours in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and ETH comparatives over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $28.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 2.8 million. So, the question, of course, as always, is what really is next. And as far as Twitter goes, we know nothing has been happening. Same old, another day, no announcement, no engagement. So, as far as that is concerned, there's nothing happening on that side. But if we're looking at the holder count, I'm really starting to find this quite interesting because the holder count has pretty much stayed stagnant around this range over the past few days. To be quite frank with you guys, over the past 1 week, we've been staying around the same holder count. So, we're not seeing a lot of holders leaving, nor are we seeing new holders coming in right now. And I will explain as to why that is, because right now, ladies is seeing a consolidation and it's holding at some very, very important levels of support. So let's waste no more time and take a look further into what exactly is happening with ladies. So look at its market cap, $28.8 million. Obviously, the 24-hour trading volume has decreased quite a bit, but look at what's happening with the price right now. You can't make this up, guys. So I'm really impressed at this, to say the least. Reason as to why I'm impressed right now is because literally since July 7th, okay? Literally since July 7th, of course, after breaking below, you remember what I was saying, guys. I was warning everyone that, we could see a massive drop in the price of ladies after we lose this level of support. And of course, that came to happen. But, we saw this massive level of support at this 32.83 zone pretty much play out for us for quite some time. You can see this for yourself. We have pretty much been supported by here several different times, and this is not one day we're retesting the support. It's been a lot of times. You can see this for yourself. We did go below it, back up, and pretty much bounce back and forth within this range. So you've seen a few bounces, so you guys can see we've literally seen a few bounces from that range. 16% here. Let's bring it out on the 11th. You can see about 11% move there, another bounce. You can see this for yourself, 11%. So we're seeing this level of support play out as we should be expecting it to do so. But right now, we're seeing something similar happen to that July 8th price. Of course, we broke below that level of support, and we do have some support built up, of course, from the May 31st price. So, of course, that is playing as a level of support for us right now too. The reason as to why we have lost this support line right now, of course, now you might be saying, hey, Crypto ZX, the fact that the price is below this level of support, aren't we supposed to be worried? That's a great way to be thinking, but right now we need to look at some factors, and I'll tell you exactly what that is. We're seeing dominance still quite low. This is positive for altcoins and meme coins right now, but look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin was just earlier today down to $29,728. So Bitcoin is seeing a lot of volatility within its price. So obviously, that is affecting, ladies right now as well, because ladies is down 5% for the day. We need to keep those factors in mind. But the most important thing that, when I'm examining ladies, comparing it to the previous days, the one thing that stands out to me right now that, you guys might agree on as well is the fact that we've held this support around this almost $30 million market cap really strong. The way the price has held, despite, yes, there is weakness. I know no one wants to hear this. There is weakness in the momentum of ladies. I know some people won't like hearing this, but that's just the case. But the fact that the price has held super strong around this range really shows that the holders for this project are way stronger compared to these other meme coins. And that is no secret at this point. This was one of the meme coins from the April days, that really made a massive rebound, which we obviously know that happened in June. And obviously right now it is bouncing back and forth. Despite the weakness, it's holding really strong around this range, and this should really give you guys a better understanding as to how important these lines that I have drawn are. These are not just some regular lines that I'm drawing on the charts. These are huge levels of support, and we are literally seeing that play out for us for literally more than 10 days now, to be exact. But what exactly is next? So worst case scenario, what if we lose this support line at this 3108 cents mark? Where could we see the price of ladies going? We could potentially see us go down to the 2769 cents mark, but I'm really liking the way it's holding. So if Bitcoin were to bounce, if Bitcoin were to see a new yearly high, we could see a reversal happening. But now at the same time, these two different times we've seen a breakout happening with ladies. You can see this level of resistance from that June 19th, and of course if we go back to the 24th of May, is playing as a level of resistance. And the reason as to why we're not breaking out quite easily right now is that the buying pressure is just not there for itself right now, guys. We're only at almost $2.8 million volume. That is quite low. That is quite low, and that obviously needs to increase in order for us to see those explosive moves. But I still believe ladies has what it takes to be one of those shockers, because remember, no one really believed around this range on June 6th that ladies could even hit this level. Amount of uncertainty that we're seeing around this June 6th was insane, and we saw ladies go up 225%. So obviously we need to keep these factors in mind, and still from that level, from that June 6th price point, we're still up 71.6%. So anyone that's gonna come and say ladies is dumping, ladies is done, it's still up 71% from that range. We are seeing weakness right now in the momentum, of course, so we need to keep those factors in mind. But I'm really liking the way this is holding, and this is really building a strong level of support. Hopefully we do see a massive bounce in the price of Bitcoin, which will of course trigger ladies to rally as well. But I'm really optimistic still. I think this could be one of the meme coins, especially with the community, guys. I'm not really a big fan of the devs and the team itself, to be quite frank with you guys. The reason why, of course, this is a meme coin, and it's made of a real project, and they're not correlated. This project does not represent the original Milady's NFT. So if you guys are thinking that it does, I'm gonna come and tell you that's not the case. This is just a total different meme coin, and they're not affiliated with the official Milady obviously NFT. That's huge. So that's something that you guys might want to keep in mind. But the community that this has built, the amount of interest that this has gotten, and the amount of people that still talk about this, is really interesting right now. We are seeing so much new. I've told you there's a lot of new meme coins. I was about to say something else, but there's a lot of different meme coins launching on a day-to-day basis. And, of course, since Pepe, what I've noticed is since Pepe 2.0, we've seen weakness come in to ladies. And that was one of the big indicators. And I was telling you guys that around this level, literally around this level, and we've literally dropped since then about 27%. Reason as to why OC was weakness was because people were jumping ships. And I've told you guys, even when Pepe 2.0 was pumping like crazy, I was saying that's the last thing you guys want to be doing. You guys want to have patience. You never want to be chasing a green. Never do that. If you believe, let's say you now do believe, hey, what? I've done my due diligence and research, and ladies is one of the coins that you think is going to be one of the top performers, then you guys know what to do. Always do your own due diligence and research. Always invest where you can afford to lose. And of course, have patience, because patience is something that you need. Remember, this can really move up super fast. $28.6 million market cap. We saw Loyal. There was a project that was launched by that Ben.eth dude. that went up today 1700%. The reason what I'm trying to show you is, these small cap meme coins, of course, you're taking more risk. You need to be aware of that. Don't compare this to Cardano. Don't compare this to Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. This is a low cap coin. This is a meme coin on top of that. It all depends on how the community and obviously the entire crypto space revolves. And obviously Bitcoin correlation is important as well. We saw that happen last time, and that is something that you guys want to keep in mind. But overall, really liking the fact that we're bouncing back and forth around the support line. But I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Also, let me know if you guys want to see daily updates. I didn't make a few updates over the past few days because, a lot of sideways momentum. But if you guys prefer daily updates regardless, let me know. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section that, hey, Crypto ZX, we need daily updates for ladies. And I will bring you guys just that. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.